Hello billionaire traders, welcome back to another wonderful video. Right now I'll be showing you how you can effectively be trading JPY pairs. All right, and I'm sure you understand the meaning of JPYs. JPY means Japanese yen, right? In this case study I'll be using the USD JPY as a case study, right? So but right now one thing I want you to know about JPY pairs is that they always respect structure, right? They respect structure. Now this is the weekly time frame. If you look at the weekly market, I'm sure you could see that the market has been in a bullish trend, right? You can imagine you buying from here. All right, let's say you enter for a buy from here and you are still holding up to this level. You can see how much you could have made, right? And this price here is about January 4th 2021, right? This particular one you're seeing here is January 4th 2021, right? Now imagine that was 4 years ago, you bought here and you are still holding, right? So you can see that you will always be in profit, right? No matter the pullback that you're having here, you will always be in profit. So these are just pullbacks, right? Now the price is heading up. So now I want you to see that this is an eye opener for on the weekly time frame. So if you look at the weekly time frame, let's do a proper what is called market structure, right? I'm sure you remember your higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? Now so long as this low has not been taken away, whatever happens in between here the market is still in a bullish trend, right? So long as this particular new high, right, have not yet been disrespected, right? So and this low have not been disrespected. Okay, so now if you look at the chart properly, you will discover that now this is the low, right? This is the low that gave rise to this high. You understand? This is the low that gave rise to this high, making it a double top, right? Now when the market got here, what happened? We saw that we have price pulling back, all right, as a pullback. Now this particular low broke this structure. Here you see that we have a break of structure here, right? Break of structure and price pushed up. Now this is the new high that has formed. Now price came back. So even if price was breaking some of this structure here, this is structural liquidity, right? So price haven't taken out this particular low that gave rise to this particular high. So what price did, it came here to respect this low as a what? A double bottom, right? And that's the reason you're having this pull, this movement, right? This impulse, right? Price is now going this way. So as a trader, if you can spot this on the higher time frame, trust me, you know how to position yourself for good profits in the market, right? And this is how I get my swing trading opportunity. If I want to go in for as a swing trader right now, I will just look for where to buy and hold my position up onto this particular high, right? Because price still have to come here and break this high, all right? Then start creating higher highs, higher lows, right? Now the level we are right now is the correction phase. The phase we are is the correction phase. So now you can imagine waiting for this correction phase to be over. Just imagine how many pips you're going to be making in the market. Now let's calculate. From here to here is over 682 pips. Did you see that? So you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Now let's go to the daily time frame. Boom. Now on the daily time frame, what you can see is, now for you to quickly see this, that is why I put my trend line, right? So this is like a channel. So price is moving in this channel. You can see price came all the way here, give us a double bottom here, then shoot up, higher highs, higher lows, right? Price created a kind of movement here. Now it's back on this trend line. If you notice, this is the third touch of the trend line. This is the first touch, this is the second touch, and this is the what? Third touch. All right. And in my academy, I teach my students about the trend line bounce strategy. So the moment price bounces on the trend line, it has to bounce back, right? So this is where we want to look for a buying opportunity, because from the higher time frame, we've been seeing it that the market has been in the bullish trend, right? Now this is on the daily time frame. Now if you look at it right now, this candle is currently forming. This is today, like I'm filming this video. I don't know when I'm going to post in this video, but today is Monday, the 3rd of February. You can see this particular candle, right? This is how the candle closed on Friday, this green candle. So right now, market open with this bearish candle, right? Now, before the price came here, you can see that price initially was here, right? And before the sellers push the price down. This to let you know that the bulls are ready to push price up. But what is happening right now, the BS, which is the sellers, they are still, having, power tussle with the what? With the bulls, right? But now you could see that we have something that look like a double bottom here already. Yes, you can see second touch, right? We have a double bottom there already. Let me show it to you properly. You can see price got here, all right, got here, went up, came back, right? Now we are here. So price is back like this right now. This is what price is currently doing, right? So but if you can wait perfectly or patiently for this price to effectively correct itself, you will take very good opportunity in the market, right? Now this is on the daily time frame. Today is not yet done, right? Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Boom. Now if you look at the 4-hour candle, right, what I did, right, you can even take advantage of this correction, right? This sell that is happening here. You can see lower low, lower highs. You can take advantage, right? Price got here and created double bottom here. Did you see that? Right? Meaning that there are signs of correction to the upside. So you can see we had the breakout of the trend line, but price came back inside of it. But so long as price did not break below this particular support, then that means our bullish bias is still valid, right? So irrespective of what price is doing, we are still waiting on it patiently to go in for long positions. All right, you can see that our double bottom is well established. Did you see that? So what I will do, I will just put this gray line here and wait for what price we do. Now the 4-hour time frame is what I'll be using for confirmation, because this is a plus setup, an A plus setup, and it's going to be a swing trading, because I'll be looking to hold my position up on this particular zone here. So if I get an opportunity to go in for a buy here, so that means I will be holding my positions here. If price come here and give me a good confluences, I will just be risking like 70 pips, right? 70 pips here to get 740 pips. About 1:10 risk to reward. Did you see that? This is crazy. This is crazy. Now, this is just one position. Imagine you have about 5 positions open on this particular trade, and you're using like $100 on each position, right? On one position, you'll be getting your $100 should be giving you $1,000. Imagine you have like 5 positions open, right? You can use this strategy to pass any prop firms. You can use this strategy to pass any prop firms, right? Even with one particular setup, right? So what you'll be looking for right now is to wait for the 4-hour candle to close. Right now, the 4-hour candle is about to close. Fortunately, in the next 29 seconds, right? It's going to be closing. But am I going to go in right now? No. Did you see that? Why? Because there is no confirmation yet, right? Because the bulls, the bears are still in this market, right? Now, I wouldn't like to go down to the 1-hour time frame, because there you'll be getting some unclear or tempting entry, right? You can see what I'll be waiting for is price to come into this zone properly. I wait for price to come meet me at this zone properly, right? Come here, touch this line, then ready to buy, right? What I can do, I can set my pending order, my buy limit, right? I put my buy limit here, Then I'll be waiting for price to come touch my buy limit, then before pushing up. That's the best way to go in this particular trade, right? And if price is doing that, I will just be risking from here to here just 30 pips, right? 30 pips to get over 790 pips, right? Almost 780. That's about 1:25 risk to reward. Very, very massive, right? Now, this is one of the best way I recommend you trade, right? Ability to wait for your setup to play out is the key thing about forex trading. If you really want to make this money in this market, you need to practice patience, right? And avoid FOMO, FOMO, right? Avoid FOMO, right? Which is the fear of missing out, right? What is the fear of missing out? Now, look at the way this price is forming, right? And I'm seeing weak rejection here. You might be tempted to go in for a buy, all right? And if you do that, trust me, your stop loss is going to be high. Where are you going to put your stop loss? Is it here? It's too risky, right? Because we have these particular lows that you need to prevent yourself from. So the best place to wait, you can't put your stop loss like this. You'll be risking over 114 pips, and that's huge on you, right? So you want the market to come to you, to this zone here, so that you can have a very small stop loss, right? At least 45 or 30 pips stop loss. That would be the best thing for you to do. So don't allow FOMO to get a hold of you. Know what you're doing, control yourself, and don't put emotion first, right? So on this particular pair, risking 45 pips, we'll be looking at to take over 771 pips, which is over 1:17 risks to reward. That is if we are risking 45 pips, right? If you are risking 30 pips, that will be 1:25 risk to reward. And if you are risking 70 pips, that is about 1:10 risk to reward. So it now depends on where you enter and how much you're risking, right? The stop loss. If I'm going to be doing this, I'll be doing this on 45 stop loss. Why? Because I'm not seeing any level here where price may want to come and take me out, right? So my stop loss is highly protected. Did you see that? So in setting your stop loss, you want to look at your chart, look left before you now set your stop loss, right? So this is it. On USD JPY, we're looking at getting 771 pips on USD JPY, right? On USD JPY, USD JPY, right? Over 771 pips. Do you see that? So if you find value in this video, make sure you like it, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. I'm bringing video like this to open your eyes for possibilities in the market. So I need you to watch this video and make sure you take advantage of this pair. It hasn't played out yet. I'm sure that in the next 4 hours, we're going to get a setup, right? So wait on the 1 hour candles to close, right? After the 1 hour candle, right, then you come back here and see how you go in. Just wait for price to tap you in from here. You can set your pending order. This will be the best place for you to go in, right? So having said all this, I see you in the next video. Thank you.